Hi, this is a lesson for topic 2-1, and your essential question for this math lesson is how can you determine whether a given number makes an equation true? And this is Ms. Villaseñor presenting your math lesson. Okay, so lesson 1, it's understanding equations, and we're going to go based on the example from Pearson Review. And what you have to do here in this lesson, you're going to learn how to find the solution to equations. And the question that is being asked here is how can you determine whether a given number makes an equation true? Now here's the example in this lesson. Jordan received a $15 gift card for phone apps. He has used $4.50 of the value and wants to buy one more app to use up the balance. Which app could he buy? So as you can see right here, they used a bar method here to list the total and what's been used, and we have to solve for x, the balance here, right? And on the picture here, we see the phone apps and with their costs. So we see that there is All Recipes for $9.50, Headliner Sports for $10.50, and Remote Desktop for $12. Okay, so going back to the question is, if he has a $15 gift card and he has already used $4.50, how much does he have left? So we have to know how much he has left to be able to know what else he can buy. Okay, as we get started here, let's review what an equation means. And that means an equation is true when both sides of the equation are equal. So we have our problem here, and they gave us some possible solutions to try. So we're just going to solve for x. Okay, so then we have to check, okay, does the value for x equal the $15? And that would mean the equation is true. Okay, so in here they gave you some numbers to try, and what you do, you just substitute x. So if they're saying x equals 950, right, for the first one, then I'm just going to substitute where I have 450 plus x equals 15. So my next step would be 450 plus 950 because x has been replaced by this number here. And when we add that, we have $14. And the equation is not true, right? We're trying to find, does it equal $14? Okay, the next one to try is if x equals 1050. So again, we have the 450 plus x equals 15. And we're going to replace that with 450 plus 1050. Does that equal 15? Well, when we add these together, it's going to give us, yes, 15 equals 15. And so that is true. And then let's check, good math people, we check all our answers to make sure, because it could be more than one answer. Okay, the next one, if they have us try if x equals 12, we're going to say 450 plus 12, does that equal 15? So, oh wait, I messed up. I should have, added x. Let's rewind. Okay, so at 450 plus x equals 15. Okay, I want to show you every step. So the next step would be 450 plus 12, the one that they're having us try, does that equal 15? So when you add those two together, it equals 1650 does not equal 15. So then that would be incorrect. So the solution for this would be 15. In order for the equation to be true, x would have to equal $10.50. Okay, so your understanding here is, how do you find the solution to equations? You substitute the x with the values given to see which equation is true, which number equals on both sides. If you have any questions, go see your teacher for some assistance, or you could work with a partner.